is your guiding light.
This is your roadmap to come to Bangor if computer science is your area. So you do have the level 3 in information and digital technologies. You can come to us and do any of these courses. Okay. If you get a level 4 in computing with ATHE, computer information systems, same for the level 4 in software development and the extended diploma in computing. Join us all for third year for these courses. Okay. Now, it's just an extra add-on. We do have the health and social care also. So if you're studying health and social care and you think, oh, I think I'll go to Bangor, this is how you would get here. Of course, as you can see here, if you want to join us for second year, you do have to take these optional modules. Okay. So that is just a little bit of a roadmap of if you wanted to come to Bangor University, this is how you would get there. More than happy to send this via email to you as well, okay?